Hi, we are the Group 1 of BSCS 4D. I'm Lowell J.M. Lago.
I'm John Lloyd M. Recon.
I'm Marie Angel Ann L. Andong.
I'm Nicole Mercado.
I'm Nestle de Los Angeles.
I'm John Reniel S. Velasquez.
And this is the Climate Device. This is the Climate Device. The climate we created is cloud-based IoT gas sensor monitoring accurate temperature. Our group started making this device because we know that it will help people a lot, especially who those with businesses. The climate device has many features that can help a lot. This device has ability to calculate the temperature in an area that can greatly help people with store food or items that need to monitor the temperature. Climate devices also have the ability to detect if there is gas in the air in an area. It can greatly help people with business or companies so that they know if their machine have leaked gases. This device is a good indicator to prevent fire or accident in the area. The objectives of this system are to know temperature in an area or in establishment. With a temperature monitoring system, you can easily track, control, and regulate the product's temperature in a specific environment. With the gas monitoring system, you can easily see if there is a gas in the air. It helps a lot to avoid the possible source of fire or accident. And one of the easiest monitoring systems, this system can do a lot such as it can measure the temperature from negative 67 degree Fahrenheit to positive 257 degree Fahrenheit or negative 55 degrees Celsius to positive 125 degrees Celsius with a positive negative 0.5 degrees Celsius accuracy. And best of all, it provides real-time and updated temperature measurement. This device detects if there is gas around with accuracy but delay the transmission of information from device to web monitoring called ThinkSpeak by 15 seconds. And this device is not just for outdoor use because it is not waterproof devices.
At the requirements gathering, we look for what we could use for our device. What is best and most appropriate to use? Here are the materials that we use in our device. One is the Raspberry Pi 3B model, where we use the Python language for its coding. Also, we have a sensor which is for temperature and for gas detector. In this sensor, we monitor the temperature and if there's a gas in an area. After we have gathered the requirements for our device, we carefully planned what would happen to the device we were going to make. We study all the hardware and software that we need carefully to make our device have a smooth and good outcome.
This phase involves arriving at the software architectural and implementation specific based on technology chosen for development, the design and verification method to ensure the accuracy of the sensing and transmitting of data, to materialize the idea of the portable gas sensor module. A systematic design and development of the sensor unit was conceptually made into three separate parts, which were then combined to make unified sensor unit.
For an implementation process in our device to be successful, many tasks between different departments need to be accomplished in sequence. Strive to use proven methodologies and enlist professional help to guide them through the implementation of a system. But the failure of many implementation processes often stems from the lack of accurate planning in the beginning stages of the project due to inadequate resources or unforeseen problems that arise.
As per evaluation of our device, it came up with the result that it has functionalities that can help everyone, especially those people who have business. In addition, our device can also serve as an instrument to better know what is the temperature in an area. Through this, people will be aware, especially on storing items and food. Moreover, in business or companies, it will help if there are machines that have leakages of gases as climate can detect gases in air. It will serve as an indicator to prevent fire. Above all, the evaluation of our device are made, analyzed, and tested to help the device more useful to everyone.
Our group tried to enable the device by plugging in the device, exposing it to gas, hot and cold temperature, and view all the results of the testing conducted on ThinkSpeak.
This is the result of our device. The climate device can detect gas and temperature on our surrounding at its help to the people that has stored items that need to monitor, and it has a web that can easily see the temperature and gas, and our device has successfully functioned and it's useful to the company. This device was successful because all its functions worked properly and the outcome was good. Climate device can help companies, especially in warehouses where many items are stored.
This device has the ability to calculate the temperature in an area that can greatly help people with store food or items that need to monitor the temperature. Climate devices also have the ability to detect if there is gas in the air in an area. It can greatly help people with businesses or companies so that they know if their machines have leak gases. This device is a good indicator to prevent fire or accident in the area.